Hello there, I'm Governor Kate Brown. With the first 3 presumptive positive tests of COVID-19 coronavirus appearing in Oregon this weekend, I know there are a lot of questions you may have about the current situation. The Oregon Health Authority, local officials, and I are committed to providing you with regular updates about the coronavirus situation in Oregon. Here's a brief status update. As a reminder, there are 3 positive cases, 2 in a household in Washington County, and 1 newer case in Umatilla County in eastern Oregon. 8 other tests that were run yesterday came back negative. I understand that this news is concerning. I want you to know that we're taking this very seriously. Our teams are working around the clock to respond and monitor the evolving situation closely. This morning I joined my fellow governors on a call with Vice President Mike Pence to hear what the federal government is doing. In particular, I want to assure you that our health professionals on the front lines to this disease have the personal protective equipment they need to treat individuals with the coronavirus. The federal administration says that they are ramping up emergency production of masks, gowns, and gloves. They are also working to pass emergency public health funding. Around noon today, I held a conference call with Oregon members of Congress and local legislators. Senators Merkley and Wyden are working to pass a federal public health funding measure this week in Congress that would send additional financial resources to Oregon and local public health agencies. More on this will be forthcoming in the next day or 2. Also earlier today, the Oregon Office of Emergency Management activated the state's Emergency Coordination Center in Salem to further support the state's existing response efforts. This will help all state agencies to respond to questions about the evolving situation as quickly as possible. For example, the Oregon Department of Education has been working closely with the Oregon Health Authority to keep parents informed and to make sure school districts across the state are prepared to react to any new cases of the coronavirus that may impact our students. The Oregon Health Authority and other state agencies are striving to be as transparent as possible so that we can quickly convey up-to-date information to you, especially when there are new positive test results in Oregon. I know many of you at home have questions about what you can do to protect yourselves and your family. It may sound simple, but the same strategies that protect you during cold and flu season are some of the most effective methods we have to protect ourselves from the coronavirus. Wash your hands with soap and water, and properly cover your coughs and sneezes. Stay home from work or school if you are feeling sick, even if your cough or your fever are mild. Clean and disinfect surfaces in your home and workplace that you frequently touch, like countertops and doorknobs. And as you would for earthquakes, winter storms, or other natural disasters, it's important to have on hand some of the essentials you might need to stay home for a period of time. Food, water, prescription medication, pet food, and anything else your family might need to be prepared. Meanwhile, you can sign up for regular coronavirus updates at www.healthoregon.org/coronavirus. You can also call the state's helpline at 211 with any questions or concern. And as I mentioned, I'll be giving regular updates here, so please tune in. Oregonians have a history of bringing out the best in each other in uncertain times. By staying calm and following public health precautions, we can all help each other and our loved ones stay healthy and safe. Thank you.